Good morning, everyone. Today's topic is threats to and rules for digital well being. As we navigate our online lives, it's essential to recognize the potential threats and establish rules to maintain our well being. Let's start with the threats. Anjali, would you like to share your thoughts? Sure, ma'am. One significant threat to digital well being is cyberbullying. It can severely impact mental health and create a hostile environment online, especially for young people. That's a critical point, Anjali. Cyberbullying can lead to feelings of isolation and anxiety. Anurag, what other threats do you see?
I think privacy breaches are a huge concern. When people share too much personal information online, it can lead to identity theft or unwanted exposure. Many don't realize how easily their data can be accessed by others.
Excellent observation, Anurag. Protecting personal information is crucial in maintaining digital well being. Sania, do you have any thoughts on this?
Yes, ma'am. I'd add that addiction to technology is another significant threat. Spending excessive time on screens can lead to sleep problems, decreased productivity, and even impact real life relationships.
Very valid point, Sania. Technology addiction can create a disconnect from real world interactions. Rohit, what would you like to add?
I believe scams and misinformation are major threats as well. Many people fall victim to online scams or believe false information, which can have severe consequences. It's important to be skeptical and verify sources.
Absolutely, Rohit. Misinformation can lead to poor decision making. Now that we have discussed the threats, let's talk about some rules or strategies we can implement for better digital well being. Anjali, what do you think? I think one essential rule is to limit screen time. Setting specific hours for digital activities can help maintain a healthy balance and prevent addiction. Great suggestion, Anjali. Limiting screen time can promote a healthier lifestyle. Anurag, what rule do you suggest?
I'd recommend strong password practices. Using unique passwords for different accounts and enabling two-factor authentication can significantly enhance security and protect against privacy breaches.
Excellent advice, Anurag. Strong passwords are a fundamental part of online safety. Sania, what rule do you think is important?
I believe we should think before sharing personal information online. It's crucial to be mindful of what we post and consider the potential consequences.
Very wise, Sania. Mindfulness about sharing can protect our privacy and well being. Rohit, any other rules to add?
I'd suggest practicing digital literacy. Understanding how to identify reliable sources and differentiate between facts and misinformation is key to navigating the online world safely.
Great point, Rohit. Digital literacy is essential for responsible online behavior. Now, let's discuss the importance of these rules. How can implementing these rules improve our overall digital well being? Anjali, what do you think? Implementing these rules can lead to reduced stress and anxiety. When we know how to protect ourselves and set boundaries, it creates a safer online environment. Very true, Anjali. Reducing stress is crucial for mental well being. Anurag, how else can these rules help?
They can enhance our productivity as well. By limiting screen time and focusing on essential activities, we can make better use of our time and engage more in real-life experiences.
Excellent point, Anurag. Improved productivity is a significant benefit. Sania, what do you think?
I think following these rules can also foster better relationships. When we are not glued to our screens, we can spend quality time with friends and family, which is vital for our mental health.
Absolutely, Sania. Quality relationships contribute greatly to our overall well being. Rohit, any final thoughts on the impact of these rules? Very insightful, Rohit. Thank you all for such a thoughtful discussion. Recognizing threats to digital well being and establishing rules to counter them is crucial in our technology driven lives. Keep up the great work, everyone. Very insightful, Rohit. Thank you all for such a thoughtful discussion. Recognizing threats to digital well being and establishing rules to counter them is crucial in our technology driven lives. Keep up the great work, everyone.